Papa Owusu ankoma wo hen adokofo e wo hen Peter Macmenu e wo hen Dan Botwe o wo hen and the assessati bonkoso who question the dean of diplomatic corps now la ilaha illallah bismillahir rahmanir rahim Sawushia ambassadors, embassy representatives are. But there are certain words, and you can say few NPP. Words like brutal. Wushia ambassadors are. People within the diplomatic circles are. Brutal is not a word. As if you were number. If you don't know, you don't know. Number 2, Mafia, the word killing. And you can say if you were number. Unless say a sit dada. And dada. Until you are using the word killing. Say the beya reference to the future. Say you don't use the word killing. Within the diplomatic circles. No. What's your diplomats are? Elimination by rough tactics. And you can say few number. What's your people within the diplomatic circles are? Orchestrated and planned killings, planned eliminations. And you can say few number. Say enya fi wenumba pe bo se dipa na ye din no gina ona o hwe when we say wonte agro no ase we share enkrofo come on follow me nyash follow me mafia sorry we share one we belonging to diplomatic corner ho na say oba e kan ho woni oba e kan ho e de ne ko. They are able to tell, say, Obana wouldn't buy no, or your mehu. It's now quite fake marriage certificate. And the choir massia, yet Mitchell. They know within the diplomatic circles, there are certain things you must not do. Saka, if you are many a fear kwa make embassy na makwata na chise. Are you crazy? Ambassador se share, diplomat se share. Wonkwa na odoti umu. Wonkwa na adido. No akofam ne to. Modam. Ya wonye maybe wa yenye. Even in the diplomatic circles the crowd, yen swadom enko present petition. We are supposed say one tea agrona say omoji ya. Can you destroy this document for us? It doesn't make any sense. And what documents I'm looking now team. I'm telling you guys. Crony Yetimo. If you guys do not know, I am telling you, sir, on my way, Yetim. Me and Muso. And no NPP Glatom to go in our police and destroy Nina. Because how you presented it was wrong. How did I know these things? I was called to be told. Nonsense. Because when who said you know Edijuma. MP no ko no kokasa no akwane yare. Pesa me tiwo sesi enemy the agenda say menkwa France embassy. Ewurade nyankopon. Why have we traveled to Bokasa? No, no, Captain Smart or a twin or yenta. We an attacker cranon and cocasa. Because I keep telling you, anytime you have a new position, that position requires a repositioning. Anytime you are given a position, you need to reposition yourself. When you fail to do that, you will miss all the targets. MP Kodru, Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, Okuta, Watch the video no. Okuta A4 sheet I printed. You see, Your Excellency. Ada we have about also. We have about also. We have fire for fire. Country man go crocodile you watch it. Your Excellency. Your ha. Wow. At worst case scenario. Eseseka anye ye kura no. Na Sammy awuku ehe. You see, diplomats no who there's certain composure they're always looking for. May few times visits to various embassies. Time ana NPP tata me no. Me kwape na matrasi din. Me trasia. Say Michelle ambassador na mu na me trasia. I am always holding akonya say to tell you I am ready, bold and disciplined. What's smart? One more Akufo na biba. No be trust no kan nan. Me fan to so pe. Men kan to so say na ma ye ne say. Na ma ye say na me hell. And one message moved across all my visits. Oh, are you this calm? We didn't know you were that calm. You're so calm. Very composed and calm since Munim Akonya way a new position. So I have to reposition myself. One of the embassies, Mafia, a branch and almost one by the Sanoa Buro said, or by Quasano say, hey, stop right there. Now, what's you? Answer, Brofono. Why you? When the Casas happened was starting Yakoko, no, you're red. I'm saying, no, stop right there. Stop right there. I don't know who's many. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. And I'm saying, better. Mafia, produce a video near Sadly, any dean of diplomatic or casa. Wow! No, I'm here 21 days fasting. No, me do yame.
By
NPP here.
Government officials. Personal scores with ardent critics of the government, particularly members and sympathizers of the New Patriotic Party. What is unfolding in Ghana today is not ordinary law enforcement. It is a systematic criminalization of dissent, political intimidation, and the deliberate suppression of opposition voices through the cohesive machinery of the state. At the risk of sounding repetitive, the following members of and sympathizers of our party are among the many victims who can be described as government-sponsored persecution, harassment, intimidation, and the criminalization of free speech. Mr. Kwame Adorye DC, Reverend John Intim Fojo, who is a member of Parliament for Asen South, Paul Adomotche, who is also a renowned journalist, Daniel Adomako, Mohammed Zakor, Yaira Abewu, Fanti Comedy, Mr. Achinkwa of Net2 TV, Otchere Afrifa, Kofi Ofosun Kansan, Alfred Abebio known as Adenta Kumi, Gordon Asare Bediatuo,
What was that? When you mention names, they will Google. And I was reliably told that one of the names that they mentioned, the guy is not here. He's residing peacefully in the United States. That's what Gyamfi. It is our case that Gyamfi saying this. My chan try NPP me donyame Nyankopon bon tro wa asase so no mo na mo kote dote ne bae. Why na kwati Gyamfi? Last month no Gyamfi okruma. Mafia. Nyash. Gyamfi. April ye twa me no okruma. So why then do you tell them say, yeah, sure, yeah, Tata Gyamfi, and America no one, and national security Razak as one crop every her IGP as one post for or present TV and woman who said no Padis no Majimi. Paul Adomotre Obia and Neokuma William and near ma moye and ma American embassy. One statement from the Bible and say me di 5 times no. One person mo ya no mo ya bi akase atato bi you think say wo mani akata kata te say mo won. Wo bi say mo takra mabutu. And mami can tell say wo kwa embassy bia eni wo mo nkoka party asemo. They are not interested. It's an anabi and no mo krata mo ko na o man destroy no. They destroyed your documents because it didn't make sense. Now you say me afei boy MP ne de na ha de. Na na bi kra composure no na ye. He was very much composed. What you say na bi na wa ye no ye fine. Afei he de o ye MP no na bi nya MP o. He de o ye MP no. You are honorable.
So we decided to come with this respected number of men and women, not to come with any form of demonstration, not to trigger any form of problems, and that is why we are coming. You heard my
say we didn't want to trigger any day problem. So what it means is that you are telling the woman that you have the capacity of triggering a problem. So if you can cause problems and have your problem solved, why here? Look. Wait, sorry, MP. It's way I know 2 MP no harder than the way by. It's waiting here too, Tina Mensa. Wow. Producer Twaso.
A national organizer read to you, the general secretary of the party and the minority leader, and the president in waiting, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, sent us to come and be peaceful.
Pause it. Yeah. This is rubbish. A quite kakra umbe show my no more than the buyer no. Din now bajira ho no wo de ayahwe ne dimi na wo ni obi kasa ho na nipa de ka cho se wagimi twaso a ayawie woni kakra na hwe nipa de we wase gina ho utumu so ka cho se he wagimi jai wagimi jai jimi no jai Mahamadu Bawumia president in waiting awa he ewiase we the president in waiting ho. In the diplomatic circles, there is no president in waiting. He is your flag bearer. Where is Papa Owusu Ankuma? Nana do I foreign affairs minister that? Nti mo kwa no ho mo ka kire no. Ana oji tum sa mo kwa yesa de we am kwa ye ohoyi. To aso producer.
Please. Your Excellency, we need action. First of all, the first action is to release Abronya DC.
Okay. Your Excellency, first of all, we need action. The first action is to release Abronya. Mamino John or dad. No, please. You see, Nanabi Asama Okaina Akwa say no. Who 21 days, I saw 99 days, Akwa. I said 99 days, mano. They did chain good in night. Said about your own access to a piano baby dry 99 days. You didn't be quite dumfa. We are not quite dumfa Bethlehem Suruho, Jerusalem dining. We need action. The first action is that Asa or Kasane Busubi. No, in the diplomatic circles, nobody is above anybody. There's a way to communicate to them. Producer Twaso.
That we do not know. In fact, this court has not given us any day time for him to reappear, for him to be released.
Wow.
This is how.
And trouble, I can't wear my destroy my document and say, Yaremandi Abronyano, Sergeant Detica. Court into me remandeo, Senedine. It's a court to Casa wa remandewa. Ebia wa remando 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. You think embassy for no? You think they don't know? Said the court has not given us any day. When you say us, who are you? Are you a Broyer's lawyer? Say the court has not communicated any date to his lawyers. Even that, it's a lie. Who I beg? No, who petrol ni matches. Producer to Ato Joy MP.
Ongoing. The onslaught. And this is a judge who has predetermined the matter before the matter is even dealt with.
Can you imagine? Hold on. My sister. Come on, Agyarko we pa mo abon se mama me.
What Jiminti?
Time na GH1
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Time na me. Yeah, chimi no. Akoto, ama bail. Wone wo NPP. Mota mini GH boy straight to I want to GH boy what you say. There be national security. Brono bi na omde ye kwahye na omde ye chin. Enye tashi. Something estate. Greater estate tokrom ho baby. That time no. MP about you say. Me pacho.
He is smart.
Now by na determine we won. Me destroy my document no.
Captain Smart, the king of
me destroy no. Twaso.
Your Excellency.
Oh, but for video near whom I mean post no. The way I kwano toto nsa no. But first bueno, man, we cry do be ehu. Toto nsa by heart. Why just say your girlfriend na ko Dubai aba? Look, please. Hey, say, a whole dean of the diplomatic corner, say, ambassador, say, walk over here now, no. Yes. It's when you be at the Biombeco meeting, no, as a so table, what's about the corner, some way, what destroy no.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
We're here 21 days. And you're fasting, dry fasting.
Ajita.
Bo.
It's never done. The county has been in the circuit court. Excellence has become the station for all these abuses. At all points and all times. How do you keep somebody to say that you are going to be remanded? You stay in cells until the matter is determined. It's never done. It can only happen in a kangaroo or a banana state. Your Excellency, there is no reason whatsoever for the president to be watching over this and be instructing state institutions to deal with issues like this. We have basic human rights, which one includes bailable offenses, that you have the right to be bailed. The judge in this matter is not allowing for any of this, and it keeps going on. Your Excellency, we decided to show a lot of deference to the diplomatic community, so we decided to come with this respected number of men and women, not to come with any form of demonstration, not to trigger any form of problems, and that is why we are coming. As you heard my national organizer read to you, the general secretary of the party and the minority leader and the president in waiting, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, sent us to come and do this peacefully. Your Excellency, we need action. First of all, the first action is to release Abronya DC. that we do not know. In fact, this court has not given us any day time for him to reappear, for him to be released. This is how the abuse is ongoing, the onslaught. And this is a judge who has predetermined the matter before the matter is even dealt with. Your Excellency, the history of what he did to existing society is the history of class struggle. When this goes on for more than necessary time, we are not going to sit down and watch. If it is about killing us, I have told my family.
Producer, are you crazy? Hey! You are standing before the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps and you were spewing this rubbish. Honorable Member of Parliament. Are you crazy? This is childish. This is rubbish. This is gibberish. It is all the ish. Come on.
They think they are sensible and they keep on
come on
mistakes.
Mafia, in the diplomatic circles, say when oba ekasa, ewo wutiru se ebekwa abonten, na se oba no wo nifa, ye wo se de ye ne kasa, se ogina wo bankuma, ye wo se de ye ne kasa. He got everything wrong. It's a fair do my no in any to nche say hey bra who Jimmy Traso tem. What it think so gumatadiem.
Bibini Bibini any power.
What it think so gumatadiem Traso na ko. Produce a video. What Jen.
And this is a judge who has predetermined the matter before the matter is even dealt with. Your Excellency, the history of what he did to existing society is the history of class struggle. When this goes on for more than necessary time, we are not going to sit down and watch. If it is about killing us, I have told my family. And I'm sure a lot of people, if you see that your father will come, understand.
I say, hey, may I say, who's the diplomatic dean of the diplomatic corps? And himself, what catch a wabusha for? Said
they think they are
sound about
and they keep on making mistakes.
Which is who so even though it's an embassy, who catch and say a cost a mess heavy crown. Which is an enemy on free Ghana. It's who said no, Aquano, put it into so good to die. Jai. Okay, Papa was one command here, fan say, or a big papa. It's not Sammy who are yeah, NPP and Adri war. That did that year, Kakra. That's Sammy who are when Krano Gyamfi Obia Kekenko. No. When Gyamfi Obia Kekenko, when Obia Kekekwa, as a song said Nipano what coaching. But the mere fact to say, what troll letter Aqua Embassy be to the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, said the Pesemi Beshiamono, as a song Shia dear. Gyamfi and Tunche.
The king.
Me, I think, sir. NPP for you, one some person with your own party in here. That's what I think. But you so 20. Wow, who fear no show who's here. And so now to an order in pa.
He is smart. He is unique.
So
he is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.